With these results, we've now confirmed district scale at rate. 1.5 Ks, that in itself is a fairly significant strike. But in the scheme of things, that sits within, a broader 12,000 metre play. And for us to be out there at all holes assayed for copper in the first step, it's a small percentage of 12,000 metres. It really excites me on the basis that we're hitting copper. We know there's copper mineralisation there, where I've got Danvers 1, which already had 1,000 metres of strike. With this, we're starting to demonstrate scale. We've said it time and time again, none of us are up there for the existing JORC reservoir, historic resource, which was 4 million tonnes at 3%. We're up there to really blow this out of the park. You only have to look at, Firefly, our neighbours down in northern Canada. Parsons and his team have done a remarkable job. We're not out there to hit 10%, 25% of the 12,000. We want to get as much as possible. At the moment, we're sitting at 100. I'll continue to push it out.